Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by creating a fresh Clash Royale account and keeping it in the early arena range so bot matchmaking is more likely. Once done, avoid leveling cards aggressively and do not push trophies. Low trophy counts make it likelier you'll face bots. Make sure the app is updated and you're on stable Wi-Fi so the game can match you quickly. This gets you into matches where the system is still assigning AI opponents instead of experienced human players. Now you focus on how the game pairs opponents. Play quick ladder matches during off-peak hours and in very low arenas to increase bot encounters. Once you see human opponents, concede a match strategically to drop trophies back toward the bot-friendly bracket, but don't do this repeatedly to avoid account flags. Also use the training camp and single-player practice modes. Those sessions are explicitly AI-driven and great for consistent bot practice. Keep your deck basic, so matchmaking keeps you near the bottom. Finally, confirm you're facing bots by noting predictable patterns, generic player names, and robotic timing. If you drift into human-heavy queues, create another new account and repeat the low-trophy approach. Fresh accounts often default to more AI matches. If matchmaking acts inconsistently, reinstall the game or clear cache, then reconnect on stable Wi-Fi. Troubleshooting tip: if you suspect account limits or bans, stop deliberate conceding for
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.